What's going on, y'all? SCS and on. To give y'all a quick rundown on this 75 dump, man. Vert. First off, I want to start the video off in the right way. Steve Davis 1_CG is my only Instagram. I cannot make another official Instagram or nothing. I can't start from scratch because there's so many scam pages. I just can't start another Instagram. It's pretty stupid. I never expect my Instagram to blow up like it did, but it did. Amen. Thank God. But Steve is the only person authorized to take any payment. Zelle, PayPal, Apple Pay. I do not take Cash App after being scammed on Cash App. I do not take Cash App. My official website is up. It's in the making. It's in the works, but it ain't official yet. So I'm gonna give y'all a quick walkthrough on this car before I hit y'all with all the time-lapse footage. Got help from the owner. This car was definitely supposed to be quick, right? But it's a lot of custom stuff, man. And you don't know what's gonna happen till you get to that point. So with me saying that, for all you custom guys that want to set price, I want to set price, that's cool, right? I'm telling you, man, that's cool. A set price is cool if you don't have no time on it. Set price is cool. You want to spend what you want to spend, all right, cool. But you can't rush it. You just can't, because the shop still got to make money. All right, y'all, we got the trunk done. I told y'all I found some help.
We putting this thing together, man. We getting it right.
What you think?
Sound pretty good, man, you know. Look at this, look at that, bada boom, bada bang. We in there.
All right, we about to put this boy in there. I'm finna finish time lapse, y'all. I don't think I ever talked about the car. So really, I got 2 6.5s in the rear quarters, 2 6.5s kick panels, four fours in the dash. And tweeters was gonna be in the pods, the pillars, and tweeters in the back. So this piece got a 6.5 and then a tweeter in the front. Made this a little minute ago. Nothing in the console, which I think he should, and he might do it, but might have to go with some more ounce. Oh yeah, hold on, let me explain one more thing. Put this car together. This was supposed to be just reassemble and wire the system. It's a lot of back and forth, in and out. There's a lot of stuff to go with this for y'all who don't know. So please don't think this is no $1,000 job. This is not $1,000. It ain't $2,000 either with all this. Hey, this is a lot of work, but y'all stay tuned.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. Push a P. Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got a spot at puff spot. Just for peace. Drop the data, now we plot. Beside the peace. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push a P. Push a P. On capital P, I write the president. Count president. Portuguese on her knees. Mopping down the P. She let me squeeze and she leave. Cause she keep the P. Private speak, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Push a P, push a P, push a P, push a P, yeah. Perfect, perfect.
You just can't rush it. Now, with this car, man, a lot of little stuff. Like, started with the basic shell, and the glass had to be put in. Window lock, returning clips. See, look, this just failed because the clips ain't in there. Power, I'm putting actuators in here for the power lock and unlock. Vent get changed. Console, the car didn't come with a console. later on we gonna put these dash pieces in. Like I be working on these cars like they my cars. The lower dash gotta get painted. He already got it painted once. He got this painted twice. You gotta deal with people who work like it's their cars, cause a lot of people work like this an insurance job. It's cool. Like with the old schools, that's not how it is, man. You just gotta be patient, take your time, and actually do it right, correctly. Cause when the car come back, I wanna say this for y'all who be asking me all the tips and stuff. When the car come back like this for a flat rate, right? You don't get paid the second time. So I just want to give y'all that, put that in y'all head. You don't get paid twice. You don't get paid twice. Now if the customer give you a tip or whatever, boom, that's cool. But the car come back, you don't get paid twice. That's why you do it right the first time. You gotta do it right, you do it thoroughly the first time. The quarter pods has to be adjusted. It's 6.5 in here, and that's done. I gotta do it to the other side. It's had a manual seat, a manual bench seat, where he switches to power, 50-50 seats. 312s in the trunk, definitely making some noise. I'm ready to reassemble all this. Had to leave one door panel apart because this door was bare. So all the clips, the pieces for the glass, everything. And the glass person came to put the glass in, they couldn't even get it in. It was crazy. Ain't throwing no shots, ain't throwing no shade, but I took one of my other cars apart and seen it, and I put it in like 20 minutes. Saved them a lot of money, man. It's crazy. Like the glass people put the glass in? What? Well, I say you just gotta have patience, because I still had to find time to go take a car apart to see. And I did what I said I was gonna do. I found out and I put it in. And I saved money. You feel me? So, just gotta have some patience with this stuff, man. Just gotta have some patience. The column, he just picked it up. All right, so with the column, the steering wheel was stuck. It was a bolt. Somebody broke a bolt off in the actual steering wheel. And I was trying, and I bent my harmonic balancer set. I just told them, like, hey, just have somebody else. I guess they drilled it out, and got it out. So that was great. We brought it back to me. I got the steering wheel out. Boom. The shaft got to be recut, and got to get a new nut after all the work. Somebody else before me, then somebody else drilled it. So it just faster if you know somebody that can do what I need them to do. So I just had somebody cut and die, set, and boom. And he get the he get the steering column. I think I said drive shit. He gets steering column back to me. I just put it back in, spray it and put it back in. Lower dash got it sprayed. Boom. So I'm spraying both at once. Put plastic over the car. Done. Boom. Once that's done, dash get put in, front carpet get put in, seats get put in. Need the retaining clips for the locks. Y'all see them 2 clips right there? Go right here. Like I said, this door was bare. This door didn't have anything. I think I pretty much touched on everything, man. The car literally is going back together. Like, the issues I was having with the quarter pods, got them figured out, so that's done. The steering column, figured out, and it's getting fixed. And everything else is here. Like, literally, everything else is here. I don't foresee any issues coming. Like, it's a lot of little stuff that go in with place with this stuff. Like, it's a lot. With a full interior, like everybody say, you spat it. It's cool if you stay in factory and you put in what came with the car, cool. You ain't gonna have no issue because you just take it out and put it back in. But like I said, the seats didn't come in this car. The door panels got redone. No, ain't no holes. Ain't no for the top pieces. Ain't no boom, 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 just done. Because you gotta make stuff fit. Like, it's custom. It's gonna take some time. You know, you just gotta have some patience, man, and have faith in the person that's doing the work for you. But I'm just looking, man. I think I pretty much touched on everything. Yep. I started the spiel too. Y'all stay tuned for that. Stay tuned. But I'm gonna give me a nice thumbnail for y'all. Yes, man.